Lincoln is currently the only manufacturer to offer luxury vehicles with rear inflatable seat belts, a new technology that combines the benefits of safety belts and airbags, both of which have a proven track record for saving lives. Developed for the outboard rear seats, the shoulder strap is actually an airbag housed within what looks like a traditional belt. But if there's an accident, sensors determine when the inflatable belt should deploy, signaling the belt's tubular airbag to inflate with compressed gas. The inflated belt helps distribute crash force energy across more of the passenger's torso than a traditional belt, up to 5 times more. This helps distribute the pressure over a larger area while supporting the head and neck. The benefits are especially positive for more vulnerable passengers, especially children and older adults. Slightly larger than a standard shoulder belt, test participants commented that the inflatable belts were more comfortable to wear, a trait that may help increase belt usage. Rear inflatable seat belts are available as class-exclusive features on the all-new 2013 Lincoln MKZ midsize sedan and the 2013 MKT full-size crossover.